Imagine a company boasting the capacity of their products with real-life tests proving it. The smartphone industry has witnessed remarkable advancements, with brands striving to deliver high-performance devices at competitive prices. This evolution actually benefits customers by providing access to cutting-edge technology, enhanced user experience, and improved value for money. As a result, users can enjoy premium features such as faster processors, superior cameras, and longer battery life without breaking the bank. In this comparison, we will evaluate this smartphone across key categories. First, design and build quality. The Realme C75 is built with durability in mind, featuring a plastic body reinforced with armor shell glass, which Realme touts as flagship-level toughness. It boasts an IP69 rating, meaning that it is resistant to high-pressure water, dust, and submersion up to 2 meters for 24 hours. It also meets military-grade standards by passing a 2-meter drop test. An internal airbag design and an integrated metal inner frame contribute to all-round protection. Despite these rugged features, some users have reported minor dents on the corners after moderate use, suggesting it is not entirely impervious to cosmetic damage. The design includes a cross-arch textured black in colors like lightning gold and black stormlights, paired with slim bezels of modern aesthetics. It has thickness of 7.99mm and weighs 196 grams. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy A26 is slim and flat, with a 7.7mm thin body, and it is available in black, white, and mint. The Galaxy A26 opts a premium look with a glass front and back, made with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, offering excellent scratch and drop resistance. It carries an IP67 rating, protecting it against dust and submersion in 1 minute of water for 30 minutes. Its sleek design features a pill-shaped camera bump and a teardrop notch, though the glossy finish is prone to fingerprints. The Realme C75 wins in this category because of its superior IP69 rating and military-grade durability. Display quality. The C75 sports a 6.72-inch IPS LCD with a 2400 by 1080 resolution. It has a 90Hz refresh rate and a bit brightness of 690 nits. It delivers smooth scrolling and decent color accuracy, but struggles in bright sunlight due to limited brightness and lacks a contrast of OLED screens. While Samsung Galaxy A26 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2340 resolution, 120 refresh rate, and achieves a peak brightness of around 1080 nits and 735 nits. The AMOLED panel offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and better visibility outdoors, though it doesn't support HDR. The Samsung Galaxy A26 AMOLED display, higher refresh rate, and brighter screen provides a significant better viewing experience than the Realme C75 LCD panel. Now, the performance. Realme C75 is powered by a MediaTek Helios G92 Max chipset built on a 12nm process, along with a Mali G52 MP2 GPU for graphics. The phone comes with up to 8GB of RAM, expandable with an additional 16GB of virtual RAM, and offers 128GB or 256GB of storage, with micro SD card support for further expansion. It only handles basic tasks and light gaming well, but lags in demanding applications. While the Samsung Galaxy A26 is equipped with the Exynos 1380 chipset manufactured using a more efficient 5nm process. The A26 offers 6GB RAM 128GB storage to 12GB RAM 512GB storage configurations with micro SD card support up to 2TB. It outperforms the C75 in multitasking and gaming due to its powerful and efficient processor. AI features. The Realme C75 incorporates several AI-powered features marketed under AI Smart Experience umbrella. These include Mini Capsule 3.0 and AI Smart Loop. The 50MP rear camera is labeled as an AI camera, suggesting the use of artificial intelligence for enhancing photo quality through scene detection and optimization. Other AI enhancements include AI Smart Loop for content sharing and battery optimization. While the Samsung Galaxy A26 offers a more defined set of AI features under its awesome AI suite. This includes AI Select, an updated version of Smart Select. Google's Circle to Search is also integrated. The device features an object eraser for removing unwanted elements from photos, although its performance is noted to be less advanced than the Samsung's flagship S25 series. The Samsung Galaxy A26 has more robust and versatile AI features. Now the software. Running on Realme UI 5.0 on Android 14, the C75 offers a clear interface with features like virtual RAM expansion. However, it's limited to 2 years of OS and security updates, ensuring it will have at least the Android 16 updates. Realme UI 5.0 introduces features like flash capsule for real-time notifications, FireDog for simplified cross-app sharing, adaptive colors that changed based on device status, and various performance optimizations under the Trinity engine. This indicates a user interface designed to enhance convenience and efficiency. While the Samsung Galaxy A26 ships with Android 15 and One UI 7, backed with Samsung promise of 6 years of OS and security updates. This extended support ensures long-time relevance. The software suite also offers quick share for easy file transfers and smart switch for seamless migration from iOS devices. The Samsung's longer update commitment and richer UI makes it a standout. Now the camera. The Realme C75 features a 50MP main camera with an unspecified secondary lens likely for depth and an 8MP front camera. It performs well in daylight but struggles with noise in low light. The video recording is capped at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy A26 is equipped with a more versatile triple-rear camera setup comprising a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The front-facing camera has a 13MP resolution. The main camera can record video at 4K at up to 30 frames per second, while the ultra-wide and front cameras are limited to 1080p at 30 frames per second. With OIS and AI enhancements, it excels in versatility and low light performance. Realme C75 boasts a 5828 mAh battery with 45 fast charging, which charges 50% in 40 minutes, and it lasts up to 2 days on a single charge. Additionally, the Realme C75 offers a 6.5 watts reverse wired charging feature, allowing it to charge other devices. Galaxy A26, on the other hand, has a 5000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging, which charges fully in approximately 1 hour to 6 minutes, offering an active score of 10.44 hours. Compared to the Realme C75, the Galaxy A26 appears to offer shorter battery life and slower charging speed. Sound and connectivity. The Realme C75 features a single button firing speaker with decent sound but limited bass. It supports 4G Lite, Bluetooth 5.0 and dual band Wi-Fi but lacks 5G and NFC. Samsung Galaxy A26 also has a single speaker with slightly better quality. It offers 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC, making it more advanced. Unboxing. The unboxing of Realme C75 includes a phone, a USB-C cable, a 45 watts charger and a protective case, which is a complete package for budget buyers. While the Samsung Galaxy A26 comes with the phone, USB-C to USB-C cable but no charger, which may inconvenience some users. Now the prices. The Realme C75 8GB plus 256GB variant is priced in the range of 245,600 naira to 249,900 naira in Nigeria. International prices suggest a range of approximately $135 to $399, depending on the configuration and markets. It is a budget-friendly option with strong features for the cost. While the Samsung Galaxy A26 in the 6GB plus 128GB configuration is priced around 353,500 naira to 355,000 naira. International prices are in the range of $274 to $299. The Realme C75 offers lower price and included accessories. In conclusion, if you prioritize durability, exceptional battery life, and on a tight budget, the Realme C75 emerges as a clear front runner. But if your emphasis is on display quality, performance for smoother multitasking and gaming, long-term software updates, and a more capable camera system, and 5G connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy A26 should be your preferred choice. That's it for the comparison between Realme C75 and Samsung Galaxy A26. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe to this channel. Also share your views and your preferred phone in the comment section. From us team, stay creative, live in the moment. Till we meet next time, bye for now. Cheers.